Myself Jagan, coordinator in New Modern Vidya Higher Secondary School.
Good morning to all. My name is Jagan. The first standard is Stephen. New Modern Vidya Higher School.
Here comes your first word, house.
H-O-U-S-E, house.
Flat.
F-L-A-T, flat.
Hut.
H-U-T,
Tent.
T-E-N-T, tent.
Caravan.
C-A-R-A-V-A-N, caravan.
Anthill.
A-N-T-H-I-L-L, anthill.
Igloo.
I-G-L-L-O, igloo.
Burrow.
B-U-R-R-O-W, borrow.
Sloping.
S-L-O-P-I-N-G, sloping.
Tunnel.
T-U-N-N-E-L, tunnel.
Humans.
H-U-M-A-N-H, human.
Cloths.
C-L-O-T-H-E-H, lot.
Tools.
T-O-O-L-S, tools.
Stone.
S-T-O-N-E, stone.
Caves.
C-A-V-E-S, cave.
Hunter.
H-U-N-T-E-D, hunter.
Fire.
F-I-R-E, fire.
Shells.
H-E-L-L-S, shell.
Very good. Wheels.
W-H-E-E-L-S,
Flesh.
F-L-E-S-H, flesh.
Safety.
S-A-F-E-T-Y, safety.
Careful.
C-A-R-E-F-U-L, careful.
Accident.
S-C-I-N-T-N-D-E-N-T, accident.
Okay. Say with me. A-C-C-I-D-E-N-T. Accident. Vehicles. Crossing. Zebra. Footpath.